Hi, this is Joey with Best Trailers. Here today we have a 24-foot model midsota power or gravity tilt trailer. This was a 24-foot model. We do a lot of 22-foot models as well, but it's 18-foot of tilt on this one. Then you got a 6-foot stationary portion up front. Load your extra forks, bobcat, pallets, whatever equipment you need to put up there. It's got two 8,000-pound axles underneath it. They are Lippert axles. It's got the 215 tires on there, 215, 75, 17 and a half. These are 14 ply tires. You've got DOT tape going the full length as well as LED lights. There's two locking pins, one on each side right here, as well as a hydraulic lock to lock it in the up or down position. Now you want to make sure when you're using it that you always unlock that before you back your equipment off of it. Now it's got the reinforced drive over fenders, so you can hit it, drive over it, won't damage these fenders. Very small gap here, only about 5-6 inches. And we'll walk around to show it to you a little bit more here. You can see those heavy duty tires that are on there. Like I said, 8,000-pound axles. These slots up here in the front, that's your forks holders. That is a gravity tilt, so you have a hydraulic cylinder under there. That hydraulic cylinder is just a cushion to keep it from slamming back down. There's a stake pocket on the front with a spare tire mounted in it, and a custom built toolbox on the tongue. Hold all your chains and binders. Lid locks open right there. You can just pop it back down when you need it. Adjustable coupler with a 10,000-pound jack. Now we do have motors you can put on here to run this electric jack with a drill if you wanted to do that. Highly recommend that. It's a lot cheaper than an electric jack or a hydraulic jack. And like I said, we do this in 22 and 24 foot most common, but we can get other sizes as well. Come see us today in Byron, Georgia at Best Trailers. Number is 478-654-5350.